Hi there, my name is Fiona Robertson and I am the designer and creator of the Home Detox Box. And I wanted to hear on once a week to come online and to answer your frequently asked questions. Now, one of the frequently asked questions I often get is, what are the benefits of actually doing a colon cleanse and a detox program? This particular detox program is a DIY program that you can do for yourself at home. So you get a box, and inside the box are all the ingredients that you need to do a colon cleanse, digestive cleanse, and take part in a short fast to clean your system. And it allows your system then to reset itself, to cleanse itself, recalibrate, and just start all over again. So you're in a very, very good place. But what are the questions are, what are the benefits? Now, most people want to know what the benefits are. I mean, there are so many. But let me start by this week just by saying it promotes a regularity in your bowels, creates regularity in your digestive health. So it really helps if there's constipation or there's irritable bowel syndrome, or if you're having the runs or stomach upsets, gas and bloating, weight, those kind of things. Anything to do with relieving bad digestion. So your digestion is starting at your mouth and finishing at your bottom. So basically anything along your digestive tract, your throat, your esophagus, down into your stomach, down into your small intestines and down into your colon. They're very epicenter of what creates you as this living, shining, bright, confident being. Really, I've seen so many things happen with people who've come on retreat with me, or who's professed, sent me their lists of their testimonials after they've done the home detox box. Clearing up candida, for example, massive. Any yeast infections, any bad bacteria and things that are sort of in the vagina or in the bladder, those kind of things, all those things clear up. It supports a healthy liver, so the fatty liver, it cleans out your liver, all the things that the liver, God, the liver does like 500 different functions, from hormones to your skin to just, it's a filter, like your kidneys are a filter. It helps to clean out the liver, clean out your kidneys, so that you're flushing through, your blood is clean. You are only as clean as your blood is able to be, and you're only as healthy as what you've been able to eliminate. If you're stuffed full, clogged full of old debris from a year ago or a week ago or a month ago or 10 years ago, I've had stories and seen people, they've said, oh my God, money, buttons and dolls' heads, all sorts of things get stuck in the digestive system because they're not food. They can't get broken down, and if you're running around and not letting your body do its thing, it can't get out. So these are massive benefits. Ladies who've come because they couldn't fall pregnant, they come to the retreat, and within a year they're pregnant, or they send me a card to say, this is my new baby. Detoxing is absolutely brilliant for just resetting the whole body. Weight balance, healthy liver, candida, yeast infections, gas, bloating, constipation, irritable bowel, promotes a healthy digestive system. What else can I say about detoxing without telling you absolutely everything in one go? So much. I've got blogs on my website. I've got information here for you. Frequently asked questions are written up on my website. I'm going to be doing videos about those specific questions. If you have a specific question about what is a detox, what will it do for me? Would it help me with this? Would it help me with that? Put your questions here and let me answer those for you once a week when we go live, and I'll be answering those specific questions for you. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you for being here. Well done. And I'm looking forward to delivering and hearing all about your detox experience.